Today I'm going to give you an overview of the Zimbabwe $100 trillion banknote, adding in some historical context and interesting facts behind the design. In 1980, the Zimbabwean dollar was established to replace the Rhodesian dollar and to signify the nation's independence from the United Kingdom. Its face value was redefined 3 times until its eventual collapse in 2009 due to hyperinflation. On the front side of the Zimbabwe $100 trillion banknote, we see the famous Chiremba balancing rocks from Epworth, a Harare province. The beauty of this is in both design and meaning, as these rocks are said to represent the delicate balance between man and nature. What's amazing is that this banknote contains hidden security features to deter from counterfeits. For example, this watermark displays its complete denomination when held up to a light source. On the left side of the banknote, you can see that the letters RBZ repeat and are printed in gold color shifting ink. Lastly, we see an underprint of a cow with grains and a color-shifting security ink that features the country's official emblem, the Zimbabwe bird. The reverse side of this banknote features Victoria Falls, also known by the locals as the smoke that thunders. It was named by David Livingstone in the mid-1800s in honor of Queen Victoria. And next to Victoria Falls, we have a Cape buffalo looking proud. These symbols and images embedded in the banknote represent Zimbabwe and the richness of their heritage. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to visit our website for more educational videos at banknoteworld.com.